Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this video for Jura Impresa E8 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a tune-up, which means disassemble the entire machine in order for us to service the brew unit that is located right inside the middle of the machine. And after we remove it out, we dipped in everything in there and replace all the O-rings that were really cracked and then definitely needed to be replaced. We re-lubricate everything back and then put it back together, descale the machine, do cleaning cycles to clean out the spouts as well as clean the grinder. This grinder right here was really dirty. It had a lot of coffee buildup and I was able to find some more as well in some of those coffee grounds. So I cleaned everything in there, I removed everything and put new coffee in there and tested the grinder multiple times and it was working perfectly fine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. We're gonna select 2 ounces as the customer has this setting for 4 ounces, and then we're gonna be using the steam and then the hot water. Deep infusion. This is the first shot of espresso that the machine is doing. So there's some air in the system when I was cleaning and descaling this machine. So let's do that again. And again, 2 ounces right here. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, and 2 ounces of liquid. Like I say, the previous shot was because there was air in the system. We're gonna do that again just to test it again. Pre-infusion. And there you have it, excellent flow coming right out of the spouts. And as well 2 ounces of liquid. Working excellent. Now we're gonna be using the hot water. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent. Fine. And now we're going to be doing steam. Now for steam, the machine needs to heat up and it needs to get one of these thermal blocks that is located right here, get to that temperature. Once it reaches that temperature, the water pump will start pulsating water into the thermal block, and then it will just produce steam just like you see right now. As you can see, steam is coming out really nicely. Excellent pressure and excellent temperature. Definitely burning my hand right here. So there you have it, Jura Impresa E8 working once again and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel if you want to get this every day, and thanks for watching.